our previous episode, we got tangled in a fisherman's net. So today, the guys are helping us move closer to shore and out of the way. Remember, I have no gearbox, so this is how it's done. Once the mantis anchor took, we were set for our next steps. Arona had the gearbox and was coming to install it. Here, while at anchor. It took him minutes, it seemed. And the next thing you know, Galopin is treading water.
Et là, on avance, hein? Regarde, on était près du bateau, rien qu'à marcher avant, tu vois. Là, tu donnes un coup.
Arona had a good listen to Simone, my Perkins 4108, and had this to say.
Il n'y a pas de bruit de soupape. Les distributeurs sont bien réglés. Donc, on touche du bois. Allez, on va
Thank you, Arona. Thank you so much.
And after a quick test drive,
Le bon Dieu est avec nous aujourd'hui.
Thank you, God.
C'est un tracteur, ça. C'est un moteur de tracteur. Il fonctionne à merveille. À merveille. Tu vois, ça, c'était un bidon de 1 litre. ATX,
Non, là,
il y a
pas de-
ATF, il y a Dictron. C'est les mêmes. Quand tu fais le niveau de cet investisseur, tu dévisses. Tu mets d'abord l'huile, mais quand tu fais la zose, tu ne le serres pas. Tu descends juste la zose comme ça, jusqu'à que tu as sur l'ergot. Dès qu'il est sur l'ergot, même si ça le dépasse un peu au-dessus, c'est pas... C'est
Ok.
bon, voilà.
Et je devrais checker l'huile tous les combien de mois ou...
Non, en fait, s'il n'y a pas de fuite, tu peux faire les vidanges chaque année.
Il a travaillé.
Bon,
voilà.
s'il a travaillé, parce que des fois j'ai pas bougé pendant
Non,
6
s'il
mois.
a travaillé, voilà.
Ouais.
Donc,
Ok.
pour les cartouches gasoil, tu peux faire chaque 2 vidanges. Cela veut dire, si tu fais un vidange complet et que tu as changé cartouche huile, cartouche gasoil et l'huile, au prochain vidange, tu peux faire que huile et huile moteur.
Ah, ok.
Et le cartouche gasoil, tu peux attendre au prochain vidange.
Ah, ok.
Tu peux sauter une vidange pour le
Ah, ok,
changer.
ok.
now we went to get what I came here for.
Arona is now taking us to a spot that sells batteries. Friends of his. He's got good connection. Aruna's cool, man. This is where you find all the hardware stuff you want here, apparently, this neighborhood.
Tu vois combien de batteries? 3.
Looking into batteries here.
Ça, c'est le premier modèle de ça, la première génération.
D'accord.
C'est pour cela même c'est plus cher que celui-là. Et celle-là, c'est la deuxième. Ça, il n'y en a plus. Et ça, c'est la génération au-dessus
Suivante.
de ça.
Ouais, ok.
Suivante. Voilà. Donc ça, c'est moins cher que ça. Ça, c'est 120 000. Ça, 160 000.
Ah, ok. Ah, il y a une différence, hein?
Ouais.
Pour 110, ça fait combien, ça, par batterie?
185 euros
Par batterie.
par bateau.
So, I think it's a pretty good deal. Less than 200 euros per battery. 200 amps. It's gonna fit in my boat.
Non, moi, je te le dis, si tu n'achètes pas ici, tu ne vas jamais acheter d'autres.
This brother is so cool.
Si c'était comme on fait au CVD, moi, je pouvais venir acheter 120, vendre 150, gagner un peu de...
Ben oui.
Bon, comme Gianni, c'est un pote, je lui dis, on va directement dans le magasin.
Et après,
Je n'ai rien à gagner dessus.
Quand on fait l'ordre, on lui dit de nous faire 10% moins cher.
Let's go for it.
Papa, c'est
Total
un avec
confidence.
de
Total confidence.
C'est bon.
150 watt solar panels, 50,000 Senegalese francs.
damay ñëw luy jar fii
That's about 70 bucks. 80 bucks. Wow. I think I'm gonna have to come back here for solar panels too. Happy Sunday. It's Sunday here in Dakar, Senegal. Johnny went to the market and bought some shrimp. He's made us garlic shrimp, Italian style. Lots of butter. Rouge.
Du pain, du vin, des gambas. Et voilà.
Bon appétit à nous. Bon appétit.
Voilà.
Voilà.
On souffle en silence.
After lunch, Gianni went for a drink at the CVD bar, and I stayed on Galopin to finish editing an episode. I need my solo time here. And the next day, we began preparations to sail back.
These guys brought us water. Tomorrow we're taking off. Inshallah.
The guys brought fresh water and diesel for our journey. I would have loved to stay longer, but Gianni had to get back. So we went to the police to get our exit papers and passports. Meanwhile, Arona would bring the batteries to Galopin and install them, each battery weighing 60 kilos. And we had to get some cargo. A friend had his 2 life raft service for his luxury charter sailboat. You may remember him. He was featured on a past episode.
On doit les poser là et tout, ça va être la merde. Donc quand on arrive, tu rouspètes pas.
But the life rafts got stuck in Dakar, and he asked if we could bring them. Well, with Johnny it was simple. He had to pay something. A, it was not easy to get here, and I'd spent a small fortune already.
My friend Arona installed the batteries. They're down there, I'm not going to show you. Lift it up, I'm going to bolt it up. He did a great job. And we're also bringing back 2 life rafts for our friend Paolo from his boat, for his boat Pajaros. And somebody else was supposed to transport him, and then something happened, and he asked if we could do it. I said, yeah, but you're going to pay, because this is a pain in the ass to carry him, right? We're going to put him in the cockpit. So we're coming back pretty loaded up. So tomorrow, inshallah, we should be heading out. Now we got to put everything away. Trying to figure out the best way to put these life rafts in here. Cockpit's the best thing. I didn't want to tie them to the deck, bouncing around with the waves, seeing you know in the middle of the night, falling overboard. Here it's safer, kind of in the way, but I think it's better. Pain in the ass, man. Paulo, you're lucky I'm doing this for you.
Today we would set sail, but before that, we had to say see you later to friends here at CVD.
Yeah, this is the CVD team here.
Yes.
Raphael, Rafi.
C'est mon chef.
There's the boss here.
There's something truly special about this place. I hope to be back soon and discover more.
Bracelet, tu fais les bracelets là, avec des cartouches de balle. Ah ouais.
Arona came to take us to the nearest French grocery store. On the way, he told me of places he would like to show me when I would come back. Now, he took us to a place where we could get some food for our trip and wine for Gianni.
Well, we're off. Lifted anchor at about 2 in the afternoon. Got about a 4-day, 4-night journey ahead of us. Now going through the busy harbor of Dakar. This is where we came in at night a few nights ago, and we couldn't see much of anything. So there's that ship that was right in front of us, and it was unlit, fishing vessel. Anyways, we're going slowly just to get out of here. It's gonna take a few hours to get out of the harbor, and then once we're out in the open ocean, it should be a pretty decent sail. The weather conditions are not bad. It's like between 15 and 20 knots. Might go up a little more, but so far so good. Boy, It's so nice to get out of this dust. Everything's so dirty, dusty air. Unbelievable. It's the Sahara dust. That's where it comes from, the Sahara. So that's how it is here, man. Thank you everyone at CVD, in particular Arona. Guy's a gem of a gentleman. I'm gonna go back there and he's gonna show me around so we can really do some cool videos. He said he's all excited and he's got great places to show me and people to meet and all that. So I'm super excited to get back. But let's get back to Cape Verde first and take care of stuff over there. Passing by the island of Gorée. It's an infamous island because it was a big departure point for slaves during that time, and it's now a tourist attraction museum. Kind of macabre, but you know, it is what it is. That's the island of Gorée. That's another story. We'll try to go visit there when we come back.
This island museum and UNESCO World Heritage Site is just one of so many sites I'd like to learn more about. But it will have to wait until me and Galopin are ready to set sail again. It was great to have you along on this voyage. If you enjoyed your trip, give us a like and subscribe. You'll really help us navigate better. Me and my boat Galopin promise you a good time every Wednesday. So welcome aboard.
Salam bol hagar ya salam.